आने दो पीछे गाड़ी लेके जा। अरे क्या चाहते हो भाई? एक्सक्यूज मी गाइस, प्लीज साइड। कौन है यार तुम लोग? काय को आया? अरे हम लोग पक्का ना सिर्फ ऐसे चलने दो ना। अरे दी वेट पिक्चर करते। अरे दी वेट अरे बॉस अरे बॉस हाथ निकालना। अरे आर्टिस्ट खड़ी हटो ना आप यार, आर्टिस्ट खड़ी है ना।
आप इधर आइए, आप इधर आइए।
अच्छा ज्यादा सारे काम करते हो तुम लोग।
सर आप थोड़ा पीछे हो जाइए।
ओके ओके थोड़ा पीछे, आप थोड़ा पीछे हो जाओ। एक्सक्यूज मी चले पीछे क्लियर करे। प्लीज सर जी You're right.
Thank you.
दोन पालिंग बनवतो।
Hi. Sorry for the confusion. Breakfast नहीं खाया।
ऑडियो चला गया यार।
Well, without breakfast also, Pari, you're quite energetic.
अरे स्टील।
Hello. Sorry सर, आज कुछ सुबह थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन हो गया। मैं भी जब आई तो मुझे थोड़े 1-2 शॉक्स लगे, बट लाइक आई टोल्ड यू ब्रेकफास्ट कम है, आज नाइट शूट भी है, 24 घंटे की शिफ्ट करने वाले हम लोग आज, तो प्लीज बेयर विद अस, बट वील हैव लॉट ऑफ फन, डोंट वरी।
अरे स्टील नीचे बैठो।
Alright, so thank you so much. First of all, I must say both of you look very dapper, very chic, and it's great to have you both here with us.
अरे फ्लैश नीचे।
Alright, so let's begin today and let's talk about what made you go in this.
So friends, we'll have good opportunity to take pictures. She's here with us for some time, so if you would kindly just bear with us and wait for a bit while, and we'll go through and share what we have to talk about our new phone, and of course why Pari is here as well, and she'll also share some of her. So if you're okay with that, and then we'll kind of move on.
Alright, thank you so much. Alright, so yes, we've been really keen on talking about this really interesting, different new phone and the sleek metal body. So that is what first I'm really curious to know about. What made you go in this direction?
You know, I mean, if you look around today, the phones have kind of become an extension of our own personality. You know, this is what you share, this is what your reflection of your attitude, and as you can see here, we have the most charming, gorgeous and beautiful Parinidhi here with us today, and this is of course the Moto Air, which is kind of made of complete metal, which is sturdy. Just want to share some of the things about this phone. Of course, it's very, very sleek, but the biggest thing that stands out and makes it a little more beautiful is that it's made out of single metal. You know, if you look at the sheen, the shine that is there on the phone, it's absolutely sleek, and of course, the metal makes it very, very sturdy.
Yeah. I think the most important thing about this phone is I think its looks. At least for a person like me, a young girl who likes to buy like good-looking This phone is really cool. I was quite pleasantly surprised when I saw it this morning. I'm a fan of metal backs, and it does have some. I hate phones which are they get scratched easily and they start looking old very quickly. But I think this one will ensure that it looks new for a long time.
Made the curve here. It's kind of very easy to hold as well. What do you think about the color? I see the metal colors are in nowadays.
I'm even wearing a skirt which is metallic today actually. I think metal is really in, metallic colors in fashion are really in. Gold is like one of my favorites, even to wear or even to like my phones and everything I like a little bit of bling in my life. So this gold is lovely. I think it's really good looking. And there are some really cool features, guys. When I was briefed about this phone today, I was really impressed. And he's going to be talking about these. I think most of you are going to buy this phone after today. I really think so.
So I just want to talk one more thing, about this phone, which is the kind of a display. If you look at the young kids today, they're kind of watching a lot of content. They watch their movies on the phone as well. I watch a lot of YouTube as well. I mean, you have great fan followers out there.
Yeah, it's all good, but you should not watch it on a small screen. You should not watch it.
That absolutely, yeah. We do, but that's what we have done on the screen while it's on this phone, while it's very sleek. The full HD definition screen, the FHD display that has, it gives you very nice vibrant colors on the phone as well. And this is this new thing that is coming, the 2.5D glass, which makes the phone a little more curved and easy to hold as well. So these are some of the things, and I think that's what this phone stands for: great style, great design. I would say beauty and brains, which is something what you are as well.
So sweet. Okay, so good looks, the display, and I couldn't help but notice that there's a golden ring behind. So what is that all about?
It's not a wedding ring, though it's in the season nowadays. But this ring is a fingerprint sensor. What we have done is kind of placed it nicely at the back. So when you're on the move, you can just by touch of one finger, you can actually unlock your phone, and it's also very personalized to you as well. I just want to check with you, Parineeti. You go out doing lots of movies and everything. How important is the security for you on the phone? I'm sure you have lots of your own personal data in this.
Honestly, sir, it's the most important thing for me, because even right now I'm at this on stage and my phone is not with me. Most of the time my phone is either with my assistant or with my manager or somebody in the team. And it's very important that my personal life remains personal. So I don't want somebody who has the lock code. So I think a fingerprint is something that they can't get past. So it's very important. I always have fingerprint locks on my phone. And this is really I struggle with this one thing. The phone is like this, and then I have to be like. But over here it's at the back, so the moment I can just immediately lock it, and I can put whichever finger I want. So whatever finger is the one you use the most, like in this case at least it would be index finger for me, you can just set it in and you can open the phone really quickly. So it's really cool. I like it.
Do you like music?
So you know it. My next film also I'm singing. I'm a music person. Huh? क्या हुआ? कुछ तो बैकग्राउंड में चल रहा है. Okay, yes, we're quite excited to hear the new song which is coming up. So, Pari, are you in the mood to sing a little for us? No, I'm not singing and all. First, we have to talk about the phone. It's all about the phone today. About me later. Alright, so you're quite a movie music buff yourself as well, right?
Yeah, so I love music as well, and of course I'm a big fan of Bollywood. At the same time, but what we have done on this phone to kind of enhance the experience, we've added, all of you must be aware of Dolby Atmos. All of you are from Bombay, Bollywood. You go to world theaters and see what Dolby Atmos experience is all about. I think rather than me talking about it, I just want to play an AV clip here which will tell you what phones have started to come with Dolby, and I think the reason being we realized that music is such a...
I have like sound speakers and also the sound starts playing, so it literally wakes me up, it puts me to sleep, makes me run in the gym. So everything is now with music actually. Alright, so if everything is about music, so today let's make this session interesting. And I have a little game for both of you, which is about music. So are you ready for that? What is this game? Okay, it's going to be pretty simple. We have some tracks, some musical tracks ready for you. And all you have to do is hear it. Alright, so let's go for it. And whoever can guess it first, just go for it. Raise your hand. Raise your hand and just go for it.
Or just say it.
Alright, so
I
let's...
feel like I'm on Coffee with Karan again, I feel. Okay, ready.
Alright, so the first track for both of you. Let's see who gets this one. Let's play the first track. Father?
Yeah, have you seen that?
No, yeah, shit. He plays some songs of like 2000s and now, like this year.
Alright, let's go for the next one and... Godfather! Okay, this one is...
I know this, Tom Cruise!
Yeah.
Mission Impossible. Yeah, I said Mission
He
Impossible.
said it.
Yeah, I won this one. This is very tough, guys. What is this?
I think you guys are doing pretty well and it's getting easier now. So let's see which is the next one.
K3G.
No, it's not K3G. Come
Of
on.
course it is. Subhash
Alright, good one. We wanted you to sing it, buddy. Alright, well done.
Worst person. Shut up. So I'm winning now, let me tell you. 2-1.
Alright, let's see who catches the next one. And here we go.
This you can't miss it.
This is me, guys. Me. Parishan.
Alright, it is getting interesting.
Last one.
And I think you should give her a tough competition.
3-1, yeah?
I've already lost.
I'll give you a chance, so one chance. What? Replay? No, wait. Replay.
So you have to try this one.
Huh? Kill Bill है ये? नहीं. Kill Bill है? Is it Kill Bill?
Yes, that is.
Oh, you get a free phone today.
Okay, so Pari, that was well done.
I have won. I win $50 million.
$15 million and yes, a priceless phone.
Of course.
Okay, so
Okay, this is good.
We got to hear a little of your music also. I hope we get to hear some more soon. Alright, so talking about music, so talking about display, and now I think we girls, we love to click pictures. So sir, we would really like to know about the camera.
Right, so yeah, that was music, security, Dolby Atmos, metal body. I think some of the other things that people use, and absolutely right, is to take a lot of pictures on the phone. So we have added some great shooters on the phone. It's a 16 megapixel rear camera and an 8 megapixel selfie camera. Yeah, so that's right. So we have a professional photographer among us. She really knows how. I don't need to tell her how to take pictures. But for our consumers out there, this has an which we call as the PDAF, which is the face detection autofocus. You know what? You could actually just focus and shoot to the people, and it just takes the picture automatically. Fantastic! It does that as well. Of course, it has a great selfie camera as well. And I hear you are an avid.
It's true, it's a really good camera. See?
Yeah.
Okay, Pari, so you have to tell us what is a perfect selfie for you. How do you take a perfect selfie?
In which you're not looking fat.
Pari, the way you have lost weight, you can never look fat.
No. The girls will always know there's always like that much more that you can achieve. But no, honestly, I'm terrible at taking selfies, okay? It takes me like at least 25, 30, I'm not exaggerating, attempts to get that one. Because in one I'll look like this, one like fully distorted scenes, really bad I look. So I think it really helps if the phone is a good phone and it has a good selfie camera itself. Like I did this and it didn't take me much, huh? So,
Yes.
it's quite easy actually, it's not bad.
Right, so many selfies, but if you click 25 pictures at one time,
So I usually give up, huh? After like sometimes I feel like aaj main bahut achhi.
I want to know when we click so many pictures, 25 pictures at a time, and then we keep clicking pictures. So what do we do with all those pictures?
Well, for that you don't need to worry about it. We have added a lot of memory inside the phone. The phone comes itself with a 64 gigabytes of internal storage and also 256 gigabytes of you can add your card. So you can just keep clicking, sharing, put it on your Facebook, your Twitter account, or your Instagram for that matter. So you'll never run out of storage, at least on the Moto app.
That's very important, I think, having storage, and you can keep clicking pictures, use social media. But what about the battery? We really hate to keep waiting for the phone to
Talk about
charge.
a battery problem, guys. Please, every phone, literally every phone has this battery issue. We're constantly rolling around with portable chargers, trying to charge our phones. So please give us good news about this phone.
Yeah. So how many long hours do you work on an average in a day?
On a really crazy day, it's like 22 to 23 hours a day.
There are 86,400 seconds in a day, and you have to make every second count, right? And that's what we want from our phone as well, because we are so busy, we are always on the move, traveling, especially, people like you who have to travel from one place to the other, and of course connected to, your fans who are out there. And the worst thing is you'll run out of battery. So what we have done is added a very good battery into this device, the Moto AM, which is 3,500 milliampere hours, so you don't need to worry about one of those. And guess what? We also have added a rapid charger into it, so
You have to play now. What is the game?
Okay, so we spoke about all these features and qualities. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and give you a feature, and what you have to do is tell me which celebrity or which Bollywood personality comes to your mind when I give you a feature.
Definitely Coffee with Karan pe hum log. I'm telling you guys. Okay.
Is it good fun? Are you enjoying
I'll
it?
get into trouble if I take some wrong names. I better give the right
Okay, but you have to be quick, okay? So when I give you a feature, you don't have to think much. Just go for it. Okay, so we begin with you and then we second we come to you. Alright, so buddy, the first feature is the first quality this phone has is it's marvelously sleek. Who comes to your mind?
Deepika.
Deepika Padukone, marvelously sleek.
I think she's quite sleek and beautiful.
Okay, good one. So the next one is matchless security.
Security. I think Salman. I think I would feel quite safe and secure with him. I think.
With the delicious.
So he's like the shirt, I mean, I think I would feel really safe and like he's a man, and I think, yeah.
Yes, he is a gentleman. Alright, going ahead with someone who's unstoppable, the mega battery.
Battery is only Ranveer, yaar. He's mad. Yeah.
Ranveer, the energy, the battery.
Even VD actually. And the girls, it will probably be me.
Why not? Yes, you're always bubbling
I
with
think
energy.
so, yeah.
So that was mega battery, and the last one for you is majestic sound.
Mr. Bachchan, I think, he has the most powerful voice when he talks. So I think majestic sound, yeah, for sure.
That was
Safe
very
who? Safe? कुछ गलत नहीं बोला ना?
well, I think they were very great answers. Yeah,
They were very great.
They're correct.
yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Okay,
बच
so
गए.
बच गए ने बहुत ही अच्छा किया. Those were really good answers one day. Okay, so it's your chance now, and the first one for you is magnificent looks. Who comes to your mind when we say magnificent looks?
Others, how will it be exciting, na?
Okay,
So say no, you have to give another battery name.
Oh, battery name, the guy, Bollywood.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm not very good with that.
See,
You had asked me which phone, I would have
So
said,
take my name.
which would have said, I would have said Moto M.
So take my name only, I feel.
On battery, yeah, in kind of energy, you said 24
Yeah,
hours working
that's me.
perfectly. I think all answers are
Yeah.
starting and ending with
good
currently.
looks, the
we don't need to-
battery, the everything. That's the reason you're here. You're so like the Moto M. Okay, so the last one for you is Mirfik connectivity. Who's that for you?
So she just answered that. All answers lead to her. I mean, the kind of fan that she has, the always connected.
Get their hands on the new phone, and what are the prices.
Right. So that's very
Alright,
cool.
so now I'm sure you all are quite excited to go ahead and take a feel of the phone, take a look at what it is and use it. So Pari, how do you like the phone?
I actually really love it. I was just looking at it and the camera is like really good, but also the interface is really easy. It's very responsive to the touch. Anything that I'm doing is it's really easy. I wanted to have a backup phone actually, and I was talking to my brother just yesterday that I want a backup phone, so I might go for this one actually. And
So maybe time to give our friends here a photo opportunity. Those who are sitting.
Photo.
Right.
What? This question is the most exciting.
okay, so
Why don't you go ahead?
I don't
Yes,
know
Paul.
the photos.
Yes, Paul.
What is this? No answer.
Okay, so Pari is now going to dedicate a song to Moto M, and let's hear a song, please.
No! What should I sing? A love song to this phone?
A love song.
Like,
If you wish to.
no. Okay, tell me a song that I can dedicate and then we take pictures. Come.
Okay, so we're gonna hear a song and then we take pictures. So which song do you wanna hear?
Still. अरे यार देखो ना यार कैसे कर रहे हैं वो चित्रा भाई फोकस चेक करने जाओगे आगे
Okay, so we have some time for questions for the electronic media. Let's go ahead with some questions if you have any.
So hi, Pariniti.
Hi. Can I stand and answer? Is that okay?
There are the cameras behind.
Cameras behind, sir. Everybody okay? If I'm standing.
Okay.
My favorite is here.
So Pariniti, when you got to know, when you realized that you are a tech-savvy person, you are a mobile buff, and what similarities do you think you have with the Moto M?
Oh, similarity between the phone and me. The phone is a very responsive phone, and I also think I'm a very friendly person, so I think that would be the first similarity. I think the phone and I both love gold. The phone is gold, I love gold. What else? It's sleek. I'm trying to be sleek. So yeah, I think three similarities.
हाय परिणीति परिणीति आजकल डीमोनेटाइजेशन के बाद कैशलेस होने की बात बहुत तो आप कितना कैशलेस ट्रांजैक्शन करती हैं और आपका जो सपोर्ट स्टाफ है उनको किस तरह से ट्रेन करें कि वो कैशलेस हो जाए क्योंकि मनी प्रॉब्लम सब जगह चल रही है
जी एक्चुअली मेरे मोस्टली ट्रांजैक्शंस एनीवे कैशलेस होते थे बिकॉज आई यूज माय कार्ड आई डोंट कीप टू मच कैश विद मी एट ऑल मेरे पास बहुत ही मिनिमल खर्चे के लिए इफ आई रियली नीड कैश आई कीप चेंज सो आई डिडंट फेस I didn't see a transition that way. My staff, I'm there for them. तो जितने भी staff है, on the first day we had a conversation and जितनी भी उनको help चाहिए थी, I am helping them. But all my staff have bank accounts. वो automatically employer होने से पहले ही they have bank accounts, they have PAN cards, so they are also working through their cards, so it's fine. We're a very hip team.
Thank you.
परिणीति, आप कौन सा फोन यूज करती हैं पर्सनल लाइफ में?
मैं हर महीने अपना फोन चेंज करती हूँ.
That's a great answer.
सीखने में मैम मैं सिखाती हूँ. नहीं, एक्चुअली रियली टाइम नहीं लगता है बिकॉज आई लव दीज I love gadgets, not only phones, even TVs, चाहे वो AC हो, चाहे वो TV हो, any electronic items, my music systems, my music players, I love them. So in about 15-20 minutes, I'm quite comfortable with them. मेरा म्यूजिक ऐप एक्चुअली सबसे ज्यादा, क्योंकि मेरा म्यूजिक सबसे ज्यादा ऑन होता है, एंड IMDb because I'm reading about films a lot. Any more questions? They will wait for one-on-one.
Yeah.
So sweet, thank you. I'm looking like a phone, na? What do you think? मेरे और फोन में कोई अंतर नहीं है. Honestly, this is the most important question that I'm asked, and I love to answer because genuinely that maintenance is the most difficult thing. When last year when I took the break to lose all the weight, I was in a momentum and I lost a lot of weight, but maintaining is really hard because every day you're craving something, you want to eat something, and you know, obviously nobody likes exercising much. There are very few people who enjoy exercising, so it's really tough. But when you see clothes fitting you better, or when you see yourself in the mirror, it like motivates you again. So I have to stand in front of the mirror all the time and be like, okay, come on, keep going, keep going, keep going. I have to motivate myself basically. Sorry, what? Huh. Who's always on their phone? Me, I think. Yeah, I actually on film shoots I'm very disciplined. I usually take my phone only at the end of the day. But otherwise I'm always on my phone, yeah. Like I'm always reading, I'm on social media, or I'm talking to my friends, or I'm on like talking to whoever. Like I'm always on the phone. I'm a Google girl, so I'm constantly on Google. That's why you need the battery of this phone.
हाल ही में बेवॉच का ट्रेलर रिलीज हुआ है, आपने देखा है वो ट्रेलर?
Of course.
तो एक्चुअली बहुत स्मॉल चंक उसमें दिखाया है, तो उसके बारे में आप क्या कहेंगे?
क्या कहूँ?
कैसा लगा आपको ट्रेलर?
I think the trailer was amazing. I've grown up on Baywatch. हम लोग देखते थे हर हफ्ते, and it's amazing कि इतने बड़े brand, if that's what I can call Baywatch to be a big brand, maybe Didi is a part of that, and it's the proudest thing.
बट आपको नहीं लगता कि जितना ट्रेलर में दिखाया गया है उन्हें उससे बहुत ज्यादा डिजर्व करती है वो दिखना उसमें?
Yeah, the trailer is cut according to a story or whatever. I don't think we can involve ourselves in that. I think she's going to be fantastic in the film because I've seen some stills and all, and she's looking also amazing, and she's going to be amazing in the film. कि वो कभी-कभी privacy चली जाती है उससे. There are many things. Sometimes आप privately चाहे मूवी देखने जा रहे हैं, या शायद आप उस दिन अच्छे नहीं दिख रहे हैं, या आप किसी के साथ बैठे हैं, स्पेशली अगर वो लड़का हो, वो ऑटोमेटिकली सोशल मीडिया पे कुछ और ही बन जाती है बात. सो आई फील देयर इज अ लैक ऑफ प्राइवेसी समटाइम्स, बट आई लव बीइंग ऑन सोशल मीडिया. मैं I really read about everybody, I follow everybody, I like to know what everybody is doing, so I enjoy social media a lot personally. और अच्छा मुझे ना one last question.
किसी एक्टर ने या किसी शख्स ने आपको इतना इरिटेट किया हो फोन पे कि आपने ब्लॉक कर दिया हो, वो कौन है?
ब्लॉक एक्चुअली मैंने किसी को नहीं किया है यार.
कोई तो होगा.
नहीं, कभी कभी अगर किसी के साथ लड़ाई होती है तो वो 5 मिनट के लिए लगा ब्लॉक ही होगा, वो 5 मिनट के लिए फिर खुद ही अनब्लॉक हो जाता है. वो नहीं होता. मैं किसी को नहीं ब्लॉक करती. आई कांट.
वॉलपेपर पे किसकी फोटो रखती है आप?
वॉलपेपर पे किसकी?
These are several questions about the phone that are being asked.
एक्चुअली एट द मोमेंट मेरे वॉलपेपर पे जिसकी फोटो अगर मैं दिखा दूं तो आप लोग शायद खुश हो जाओगे, लेकिन मैं बोलूंगी नहीं. एक्चुअली माय वॉलपेपर्स आर यूजुअली जो फोन के वॉलपेपर्स होते हैं ना खुद के, दैट्स व्हाट आई नॉर्मली कीप. But nowadays, like to motivate myself, or if there's a quote that I really like, then sometimes I keep those quotes. But nowadays, अजय जी आप फोन छुपा के रखो हाँ अभी. कुछ गड़बड़ हो सकती है. हाँ, मेरी खुद की फोटो है. I'll keep it at that. Oh, of course, that's what I've been doing. Alright, so thank you for all your questions, and yes, we're gonna flaunt the phone.
I think we've had enough pictures. Yeah.
परिणीति, मेरी प्यारी बिंदु के बारे में थोड़ा जानना चाहेंगे, कहाँ तक शूट हो गया, कब तक फिल्म को प्रमोट करना चाहते हैं?
आज रात को ही हमारी शूट है मेरी प्यारी बिंदु. मैं अभी यहाँ पर सारे दिनों और फिर आज मैं पूरी रात नाइट शूट करने वाली हूँ, तो थोड़ा मुश्किल होने वाला है बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू डू अ 24-hour शिफ्ट. सो आई एम लाइक रियली ट्राइंग टू प्रेप माई सेल्फ फॉर इट, कीप माई सेल्फ फ्रेश. बहुत लंबी शूट है आज, बट वी शूटिंग द सॉन्ग टुडे. उसके रिहर्सल्स चल रहे हैं पिछले 4-5 दिनों से, एंड नाउ वी आर रेडी. तो आज एक बहुत ही भारी घाघरे में मुझे डांस करना है, बट आई एम एक्साइटेड बिकॉज आई रियली एंजॉय डांसिंग. सो वी आर शूटिंग दैट, एंड देन एक और गाना है, एंड देन वी रैप द फिल्म.
ओके, द लास्ट वन. रिसेंटली वरुण से हमारी मुलाकात हुई थी किसी लॉन्च फिल्म से, तो उन्होंने कहा कि विद ऑल ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट कि परिणीति इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट सीनियर एक्ट्रेस. क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
लोग हमेशा मुझे ऐसे ही बोलते हैं. जब मैं आती हूँ तो जब भी मैं रूम में आती हूँ तो वीडी बोलता है, ओ नेशनल अवार्ड विनर, ओ सीनियर. ये अर्जुन और वीडी हमेशा मेरे बारे में ऐसे बात करते हैं, तो वो मजाक करते हैं. दे आर मैड बोथ ऑफ देम. इग्नोर कर दो दोनों को.
All right, thank you so much. Thanks for being here. Thank you so much, Pariniti.
Thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot. Please be seated. Sure. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy. Have a happy New Year. Have a good Christmas. I will probably see you in Jan now. Thank you. Secret. Alright, thank you so much, everybody. That was Pariniti Chopra with us, and I hope you enjoyed the features, the Moto M, and yes, go ahead and take a look at the phone.
Still